Hello guys, so this is No One Asked, and as per request, this is gonna be a follow-up video for DJI MIMO, the app itself. So basically this is gonna be a review, so I'm not gonna connect my DJI device to the app so that we can explore the app in depth. So once you open the app, this is how it looks like. Um, as far as I'm concerned, this is updated to the latest version of the app. So on the topmost part, you would have a series of devices that DJI offers. You would have Osmo Mobile 6, Mobile SE, and Osmo Pocket, and up above you have DJI mic and all that stuff. Now, if you scroll a little bit down, we have an academy. So in this academy, they are going to be providing you with lessons that you can use in accordance with your device. So for example, me, I have an Osmo Pocket, I have the Osmo Mobile SE, and I'm still looking into getting a DJI mic, to be honest. But yeah, for example, let me just show you how this works. So for the Mobile SE, you could have these ones, and then let's just say we select beginner. So you're gonna be given a customized course on how to make better videos or better content with their devices. Now, next thing we have shot guides. So shot guides are are um, are it's like instructions on how to recreate content. Like let's see for this one. Let's see for this hiking video. Like it would teach you how to get shots like this, so that you can create a video just like this one. Like these scenes, so you're gonna see it in here, like people, the shot list, people. So there's back view, expression, close up, low angle tree shot, distance shot. We have trail. So when you complete all of these clips, your the resulting video would look like this one up above. And that's not all, because you'd have natural, so strolling to the forest, mountaineering for natural, alright? You would have sea, camping, and all the other stuff. You would also have park, city, also have stay at home, then exploring stores, food, seaside, and festival. Now, just to be honest with you, um, this still feels quite short for me. Like, I wish there were a lot more shot guides out there. Like I hope in the future updates they would provide more shot guides, because it's really an amazing way for beginners, and especially those people who are really who don't have any idea about content creation or how to really shoot really good videos. So shot guides is the best way to teach complete beginners in using their DJI devices. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, you'd have featured videos from content creators that are using DJI. And that's going to be an endless list of videos. Now, as you can see on the bottom part, we have album, we have the camera button, and editor and profile. So, guys, for the sake of this video, I cannot click the album because it's gonna show my whole gallery of stuff, and right now my gallery is messed up because I've been shooting a lot of content, so I'm not gonna click on that. But obviously when you tap into the album, it's gonna show your gallery. Then for this camera button, this will be activated when you connect a DJI device on your phone. Let's say for example a gimbal, a mic, or the Osmo Pocket. It would activate, and it would show you the it's like a virtual screen control for the device. And for the editor, it's gonna look like this. Now, to be honest with you, this editor right here for the DJI MIMO is just almost the same as Light Cut, the one in the one video on my channel here, wherein it says Light Cut editing app. It's almost the same. So the editor in here also has new project and one tap edit, and the editing interface is very very familiar. It feels like CapCut, but it's not CapCut. So it also has its own features which are really great that I really love. Now, they also provide their own templates, which is really nice. And I think that's all for their editor, because there's not much things here. Like you'd have these specials, then for highlights you'll have color recovery, then aqua if you're underwater. So let's move to the next one, which is profile. So for the profile, um, this is my profile, and I'm just gonna cover my name, so for identity protection. So in the profile, tab, you'd have device management, you'd have the DJI store, you'd have the support button, you'd have the DJI forum, clearing cache for your device, settings, and about. So I think the most important in here is the settings. Let's go to settings. You'd see you can. There's a lot of stuff in here that you could turn on and turn off, whatever you need, and there's also this beginner tutorial and all that stuff. So basically, that's all for this video, and those are all the features that you need to know about the DJI MIMO app. So I hope this video helps you out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe. This is No One Asked, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace out.